What is going on, guys? We're back today with another video, and yesterday we had a crazy time racing these trikes around that parking lot, but we had a little issues of mine, so I need to do some modifications to this to make it a little safer and better to ride. We had this wheel fall off because there's nothing holding it on but this clamp in here, so I've got to measure for some snap rings. I'm gonna take this whole axle back off, take the chain, take the motor back off, and then we're gonna measure where the hub needs to be at. I also need to get some better brakes for the front, tighten up the handlebars, and we're gonna work on getting a better throttle cable as well. This one is way too short, as you can see, and this is how you make it go right here. So I'm gonna measure this so I can put this back up on the handlebars here, but let's go ahead and start taking this apart, and we will begin trying to make this thing better. So we got the motor off, we got the axle off. I'm gonna take everything off of here. I got where I need my snap rings cut into on either side to hold these stupid hubs on, because these will come off. And then yeah, we'll work on that. I think my bearing's missing a dang set screw here. There's one missing there. It's bad, y'all, but we're gonna fix it. I may end up putting a bigger sprocket on the end too. I gotta look at that as well. What's going on, guys? We're back again, and today we got our drive shaft back with the modifications from last time when my wheel fell off. We got some snap ring grooves cut in this, so we'll be able to hold the wheel hubs on. So I got a new sprocket, a little bit bigger. We're gonna put that on, build the rear axle again, then we're gonna put the motor on, and then we'll finish building this trike. We may take it out today or tomorrow, so stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we got the axle done, wheels on it securely. I put lock nuts on the wheels so they should not fall off. I just got to line these up where the framework goes, and we'll go ahead and do that. But yeah, it's coming along. Stay tuned. We're going to bring the frame back in here, mount this, and then we'll go ahead and put the motor on. So we'll go ahead and mount this here, and then we will get on working with the throttle cable and then putting the motor on. we got the handlebars fixed. That's ready to go. I'm gonna zip tie the throttle cable back, and then we'll set the motor on, and then I'll have to make a longer chain for the sprocket, but it's almost done. All right, guys, we are done with the build. I'll show you what it looks like. We're about to load it up and put it in the truck. But I got everything on, sprockets, chains. We got the throttle on. So yeah, we're about to take it to a parking lot, and we'll see what it does.